Hello, this is Andrea from Pesado, and today I would like to introduce you our 58mm shower screen that we have designed to work with Breville 58 coffee machine. We have designed this shower screen to improve the water diffusion of your coffee machine. We have done this from a 3mm plate of stainless steel, and we have designed some channels at the back of the plate that drive the water all the way to the edges of the shower screen. We have also designed the diffusion plate that goes behind your Breville coffee machine, and we also made that out of stainless steel. Now, when you purchase the coffee machine, it comes with a stock standard, and the stock standard is just a little 0.5mm sheet of steel which has been perforated. The diffusion of the stock standard shower screen, as you can see, is a lot smaller than the one you have with our screen. The reason why this is smaller is because obviously this being a smaller piece, it can only be perforated to a certain extent. Now, what happens when you press the coffee button is that the water will obviously flow through this as well, but it's not gonna get driven all the way to the edges of the screen. Now, we didn't just design the shower screen, we also redesigned the plate behind the coffee machine. Your stock standard coffee machine comes with this plastic diffusion screen. We have made a diffusion plate that is made out of stainless steel. It's made with two different shapes. One is for the back of the screen, which is absolutely flat, and the other one is for the front, which is collecting the water off the coffee machine and making it flow evenly, even behind the actual shower screen. So we're rediffusing the water from the block all the way out to your coffee. As you know, your coffee machine has got a pre-infusion setting. So there is not that the water comes out pressurized from the second one, but it takes about 5, 6, even 7 seconds to reach full pressure. Now, during this time, the water drops on top of the coffee, but has no pressure. So wherever the water touches, it will go down. It will never go sideways. So it is very important to achieve a full extraction of the coffee to actually diffuse the water from the beginning of extraction all the way out to the edges. Believe it or not, the edges of the circle have the majority of the surface area. So by using our product, you actually wearing the coffee evenly from the beginning to the extraction all the way to the end of the extraction. What's gonna happen in the flavor of your coffee? Well, you will experience a more full body, a coffee that cuts more through the milk, so it will have a little bit more punch through it, and it will also be more consistent. You're less likely to experience shots that are not looking too good for some reason, and you're less likely to experience channeling. To remove the stock standard shower screen, all you do, you use the Allen key number 4 and you just unscrew the screw in the middle. This will come out fairly easily. You remove that, you make sure your coffee machine is cold before you do that, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna use the same screw with the Allen key and you're gonna screw it back onto the machine just from the middle. What's gonna happen when you install this? Very likely you will have to change a little bit the settings of your coffee machine. Very likely you'll have to go a little bit finer, and the reason is because you're gonna infuse the coffee better, you will be able to go finer and achieve a better tasting coffee. Now, with our shower screen, we're also giving you mesh screen. Why am I giving you a mesh screen? If some of you out there uses freshly roasted coffee, we have found that using a mesh screen just keeps the coffee in the basket a lot better. Freshly roasted coffee is very prone to expand in the basket, so with this one here, you just have a cleaner and more consistent infusion. We also have in the packet a new screw and a new Allen key. This is just for some models. If you need it, if you see that the shower screen doesn't fit properly, well, there's a new screw and there's a new Allen key in the packet. Finally, I would also like to bring your attention to the stock standard basket that your Breville coffee machine comes with and our basket. When you change the shower screen, you will only fully benefit if you also upgrade your basket. And the reason is exactly the same. If you look at the way the coffee machine stock standard basket is made, it's got holes that are not going all the way out to the edges. But in fact, they are in line with the shower screen that the machine comes with. So what happens in here is that actually the outer edge, again, of the coffee is not fully used from the top or from the bottom. But when you're using our basket, you actually have more holes, and it's actually designed to work with our shower screen. So again, you will reap out the benefits of having more body, more taste, and a coffee that cuts better through the milk. So we highly recommend to upgrade them together. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is explanatory, and we'll see you in the next one.